Me too. And we're magicians, and we're gonna put on a Okay, so for my first act today, I have some magic water, and I have a regular plastic cup. So I'm going to pour the water into this cup, and the water is going to magically disappear, and then, of course, there will be no water in the cup, okay? So I take my magic water, and I'm just going to pour it in, okay?
Maybe a little more. Let's be sure.
As you can see, it's easily going in. Okay, so the water is now in the cup, and we're going to give it just a little bit to disappear. So are we ready? Abra, cadabra, alakazam.
Nice.
Thank you. I'm going to try that too. I'm just going to pour it into my pitcher first. Instead of a cup, we're going to use a blue. And pour this water in. Abracadabra, alakazam.
And what? How did that high? Do it again. Oh my goodness, where did it go? Magic!
Okay, so for this act, I have 3 hard plastic cups before me, and I have 3 little pom-pom balls regular. So I'm going to first of all, I'd also like to just point out that these cups are just plastic, like they're hard and regular, nothing in them. Okay, so I'm just gonna put these 3 balls right here, and magically, one of the balls is going to fall through the cup. Okay, so stack our things up. Are you ready? Abracadabra. Okay, folks, let's do this one more time. So, I take out the 2 remaining balls, and we'll do it one more time. So, let's just put the balls up, stack. Are you ready? Abracadabra. I have an idea. A plain black hat. Abracadabra.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Okay, so for my next act, I have just a regular cardboard box. It's nice and sturdy, as you can see. Just a regular cardboard box. And I have a regular little plastic lizard. So I'm going to put him in the box. And then you guys are going to witness a little bit of magic. And he is going to disappear, maybe leaving another magical critter in his wake. Okay, so I'm just going to put him in. And I'm going to close up my box. Okay, so, ready? Abracadabra, alakazam, give me a lizard, and take out the shin. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, he's so cute. Nice.
And that is Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, so for my next act, I'm going to do a little bit of mind reading. With me, I have my wands. I have regular dice and a little canister. It's the bottom and then the top. Just regular, simple canister. So now I'm going to ask my audience if they would like to choose a number. When they're done, they're going to put it in the canister with the number face up and then hand it back to me. I've turned it around so there's no possible way that I can see it. It's true magic. So I don't know, maybe 5, I don't know, 6. I don't know. Is it a 5?
Open it.
Yeah, sure. 5.
Wow.
Could be a 2. Is it possibly a 4? Yep. And folks, we stand a 4.
Nice.
I have a solid pencil. Nice and hard. Look, I didn't even tap it on.
What are you going to do with it?
Like this.
Ooh.
We are going to break it in half. Put it and then. Whoa!
Woo!
I hope you enjoyed the show. So that's a wrap with our magic.